Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you another delicious, easy to make recipe, cabbage roll with chicken, for which you only need a few ingredients and it is very easy to make. So let's get started. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 2.5 cups of shredded cabbage. Give it a quick mix to soften the cabbage. And now add 2 cups of boiled chicken. To boil the chicken, what we did was we took 2 chicken breasts and we boiled it with salt. You can add salt according to your own taste. And then give it a quick mix again. And add half tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. We will not add salt again because we added the salt while boiling the chicken and that is better for taste. Keep mixing until the cabbage becomes soft. Now let's start assembling. Take half tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of water, which we will add gradually as we mix this paste, and make it into a runny paste which will act as a glue for our sheet. Take 1 spring roll sheet at a time and add our prepared filling into it and spread it out. We're using the Spring Home TYJ Spring Roll Pastry. You can use any sheet that you want, but make sure that it is thin so that it is easy to cook and it is crunchy. You can freeze these rolls for up to a month, and whenever you need to eat them, take it out, give it a quick fry, eat this crispy, crunchy, tasty cabbage roll. And if you like our video, we have created other videos which you can freeze for a few days up to a month. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and comment in the section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Thank you.